How to remove green screen in CapCut. Want to replace your background with anything you like? Let's remove green screen in CapCut. So first you need to drag your clip into your timelines. For example, you'll use this green screen video. So simply drag it to your timeline, and then what you can do next is click on the clip, and then from here, head over into the remove BG section, and then go ahead and select Chroma Key from here, and then go ahead and select the green color using the color picker, and then the green screen will then be removed. Now, what you'll need to do is to look for a background for your video. So look for a different background for this video, and then to add this as the background, simply drag it to your timeline and place the green screen video above this video. So this would go into your main timeline, and this would act as a B-roll. So once you play this video, the green screen video would then be found above the background that we've just found. And that is how you can simply remove green screen in CapCut.